Derek McCain, spotted several times in the province. In the past year, Mr. McCain makes a handsome living from rare and endangered species. He too. Now, these two are Australians. The bald one is Mick Katie. The other is said to have been raised by Aborigines. The natives call him... call him Gaji, the hunter. Both are known poachers and have been...
Mr. Ventura!
This wedding ceremony is going to take place in 4 days. I cannot have bloodshed in my province. We're counting on you.
Hey-ho, Silver! Away!